In this video, we review OctaFX. Have you used OctaFX before? What was your experience? Leave your OctaFX review in the comments section below. Did you know that OctaFX offers access to over 30 currency pairs, and it has garnered millions of users globally, with a large presence in emerging markets like Indonesia and India? Despite its relatively low profile in comparison to some of the industry's largest brokers, OctaFX has made a strong impact within the retail trading space, especially among Forex traders. Yet, while many tout its competitive spreads and user-friendly interface, it's crucial to understand both the strengths and limitations of the platform before diving in. OctaFX's most appealing feature for many traders is its low-cost trading structure. The platform offers commission-free trading on most accounts, with spreads starting as low as 0.6 pips for major currency pairs. This low-cost structure has made it particularly attractive to those who focus on Forex, commodities, and indices trading. Additionally, OctaFX provides access to both MetaTrader 4, MT4, and MetaTrader 5, MT5, two of the most popular trading platforms in the world. These platforms are known for their speed, reliability, and a wide range of technical analysis tools that traders rely on to execute complex strategies. For traders who prefer automated trading, both MT4 and MT5 support expert advisors, EAs, which can further streamline trading activities. Another significant advantage of OctaFX is its educational resources, which cater to both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a wide range of educational content, from webinars and video tutorials to market analysis and trading signals. Many users appreciate OctaFX's detailed and beginner-friendly content, which makes it easier to understand fundamental and technical analysis concepts. The broker also provides access to a demo account, allowing traders to practice strategies and gain familiarity with the platform before committing real money. However, OctaFX is not without its drawbacks. While its commission-free trading is appealing, the platform does not offer as many assets as some larger brokers. It focuses primarily on Forex, with fewer options for equities or more exotic instruments. This can be a limiting factor for traders looking to diversify their portfolios beyond currency pairs and commodities. Furthermore, OctaFX's limited product offering means it may not be the best choice for those looking to trade a broader spectrum of markets like stocks, options, or ETFs. The platform's withdrawal process has also received mixed reviews. While the broker supports a variety of payment methods, including credit/debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets, some users have reported delays in processing withdrawals, particularly with certain payment systems. Customer service has been another area of concern, as some traders have expressed dissatisfaction with response times and the quality of support during high-volume periods. While OctaFX offers customer support via live chat and email, the lack of phone support or 24/7 availability can be frustrating for traders who encounter issues during off hours or in urgent situations. Another downside is OctaFX's regulatory status. While the broker is registered in some regions, it operates in a gray area in terms of global regulation. This can be a significant concern for traders who prioritize safety and transparency in their broker choice. While OctaFX is generally regarded as a reputable company, the lack of regulation from high-tier bodies such as the UK's FCA or the US's CFTC can create uncertainty, especially for those living in more tightly regulated markets. For traders in highly regulated regions, this could pose an added risk, especially in terms of deposit protection and dispute resolution. Despite these limitations, OctaFX's user interface is widely praised for its simplicity and intuitive design. Traders appreciate the smooth experience when executing trades, especially when using the mobile app, which is well optimized for trading on the go. Furthermore, OctaFX offers some enticing promotions, such as bonuses and deposit match offers, which can be attractive to traders seeking to maximize their initial deposits. In conclusion, OctaFX provides a compelling platform for Forex and commodity traders, particularly those focused on cost-effective trading and seeking a user-friendly experience. The combination of low spreads, a solid educational offering, and a reliable trading platform makes it a solid choice for beginner and intermediate traders. However, its limited asset selection, potential withdrawal delays, and regulatory uncertainties make it less suitable for traders looking for a broad range of investment options or a fully regulated broker. Ultimately, OctaFX is a good choice for those willing to trade in the Forex market and who can tolerate its drawbacks.